Hey friends, it's Shereé, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a wonderful sewing subscription. But before I get into that, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're a returning person, thank you so much for your continued support. All right, let's get into it. I partnered with Amber at IndieStitch so that I could share with you their May sewing kit. And you know what, you guys? It is a good one. I'm so excited to share it with you. If you don't know about IndieStitch, IndieStitch is a monthly sewing subscription service. They send out a kit to you every single month, and this is what the kit will look like. Inside the kit, you receive a sewing pattern, 2 to 3 yards of fabric, all the sewing notions that you need to complete the project, as well as some additional sewing goodies. I like this subscription because there is a wonderful community aspect tied into this. They have a great Facebook group, and every single box comes along with a sewing tutorial, which is extremely helpful for those that like to sew with friends or for those that are new to sewing. All right, let's get into this box. I've already looked, I've already printed the instructions for the pattern that's in the box so that I can share a picture with you. And this is a good box, you guys. I'm extremely excited to share it with you. Now, the featured designer for this particular box, this is an information card that comes on top, is actually Christina Albeck. She's the owner of Wardrobe by Me, and the pattern in the box is the Wardrobe Builder t-shirt, and it definitely is a wardrobe builder. Let me tell you, there are 6 versions of this shirt included in this pattern. You have your boat neck, you have your O neck, you have your V neck, you have your scoop neck, you have your low scoop, and then you have your sleeveless option, which is showed with the boat neck. Okay, look at that. Isn't that amazing? So many options in this pattern. Now, the reason why I'm extremely excited about this pattern is because I get the opportunity to do something that I haven't done in 20 years, and that is tie-dye, okay? So in this box, there is the pattern, there is 2 yards of rayon spandex, 2 ballpoint home sewing machine needles, which are a 7511, 1 spool of white thread, 2 boxes of RIT dye, a white dye-ready mask, 2 squeeze bottles, 2 sets of gloves, and rubber bands. Everything you need to tie-dye. I'm so excited, you guys. So the cool thing about IndieStitch is when you sign up, you're able to select between different fabric color choices, and in this case we got to select the actual dye colors that would be sent to us. Now the colors that I chose are black and wine. Let me show you what those look like, and these are by the company RIT, and this is what they look like. I'm so excited to do this project. And since it's 2 yards of fabric in this case, you can actually make 2 t-shirts. So that's really cool. All right, so this is what the fabric looks like. It comes really nicely packaged in this beautiful tissue paper. And if you look closely, it says IndieStitch all over it. And it has little sewing machines. It's so pretty, I almost don't want to rip it. It's so nice. I'm gonna go ahead and open that up so that I can share with you the jersey material. And this is what it looks like. It's very beautiful and soft. You know what a good idea would be for this fabric? Since there's 2 yards, you guys, it would be really cool to make one of these versions of the t-shirt, and then to make maybe a pair of shorts, kind of like biker short style, and tie-dye both. There's an idea. But this is what the fabric looks like. Extremely soft, extremely stretchy in 4 directions. Really nice quality. You can't see through it. It's really great. I love it. Okay, so there's also a mask inside that you can tie-dye, which is really cool. These are the squeeze bottles that are to be used in order to mix the dye with water. This is a lot of rubber bands. Oh my goodness, look at all these rubber bands. So great. And then there's a little baggie, and in this baggie are the tops to the squeezy bottles. There's the thread, which is white. And then there's 2 pairs of gloves in here. So great. And as I mentioned before, the pattern is already printed by a copy shop, so you don't have to do that, and you don't have to tape together your pieces. It's really nice, thick paper. Great. I find that I like print copy shop paper because it is more durable than the tissue paper that comes with most of the big 4 pattern company patterns. I really like this paper. It's gonna endure a lot. All right, so that's everything that's in the box. In addition to all of the things in this box, there was an information card here that gives you all the different techniques that you can try when you're doing your tie-dye project, and I think this is so fantastic. If you open it up, it tells you all the different options that you can do. You can do traditional tie-dye, which has this like spiraled look here. You can do marbling, which is this one here. You can do ombre. Oh, that looks so cool. You can do ice dye, which is this one here. And the cool thing is it gives you the website to Rit Dye so that you can learn how to do all these different techniques. They do have step-by-step tutorials on their website, as well as a couple on YouTube. So I'm really excited to get into this project and to decide what type of pattern I want to do. I'm really leaning towards the idea of making a 2-piece set with this fabric. So I can't wait to get started. And I'm really excited to be able to have some step-by-step instructions on how to do this project, because it has been 20 years since the last time that I tie-dyed. And this is going to be so much fun. Now, if you're interested in having a sewing kit like this, and this sewing kit in particular, you have until May 28th to sign up for the May box. And I have a discount code for you. The discount code is Shereé50. And with that discount code, you will receive 50% off your very first box when you sign up for a 6 to 12 month sewing subscription. Now, the cool thing about IndieStitch is that you can decide whatever type of package you want to sign up for. If you want to sign up for a month-to-month subscription, you can do that. Or you can sign up for 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. And the cool thing is you can cancel your subscription at any time. But I do want to let you know that the additional months that you sign up for, if you sign up for 6 to 12 months, you're going to get a deeper discount in your monthly subscription price than if you do a month-to-month subscription. So I do encourage you to use my discount code today to save yourself 50% off your first box. And I'm so excited to be able to get into this project. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know if you're interested in this subscription. Comment below if you've ever done tie-dye before. And also let me know if you'd like to see me tie-dye my fabric. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, please do give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.